Oh yeah, she just let me hit. Yeah, and she for my brothers. Hey, we ain't hit. I feel like I got like an infinite middle part now. Like, damn, focus, bro. It's like forever I'll have this just middle part. It never goes away. What's good, YouTube? It's Nathan Xavier, and we back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be giving y'all a parting tutorial, and I'm going to be attempting cornrows for the second time. With that being said, the cornrow part of this video is not a tutorial because I don't know how to do it. If I do learn today how to do it, maybe in the future I'll give a tutorial on it. But today is not a tutorial, just a parting. I don't even know why y'all need a parting tutorial. Parting is not that hard. It can't be that. It's no way it's that hard. Box parts, triangle parts. Straight lines. Come on, y'all. Come on. I don't know how y'all need this. I'll be a good person and give this to y'all. The things you need to part your hair, you really just need a rat tail comb. You don't have a rat tail comb, you can use a pick, but that's just a lot harder and too much work. You use this end of the rat tail comb to part your hair. You basically just use it as a pencil. Parting is like drawing. It's just on your head. Let's take baby steps. I'm gonna teach y'all how to draw a line. I want a part, to be a straight line. I draw a straight line. What the fuck is that? We're gonna start with just, a line. You can put the line anywhere. I'm just gonna show you just how to make just a line, just a straight little line, right? Let's say I want like a side part, right? You literally just press it onto your skin, right? And you just make a line. Just go straight down, right? Now that you got it straight down, you lift it up. And then you should have like this part free. I don't know if y'all can even see it. I hope y'all can see it. But this part right here should be free, right? You slide your finger down with like just going along that line, making sure you're like right in the middle, right? And then you separate. And now you have a line. Now you know how to part. No, I'll play. But sometimes it's not gonna be completely straight, so you're gonna have to go over it multiple times. A couple more times until it's the way you want it to be. You're not gonna always get it on your first try. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. I look like Cucurella right now, what the heck? W signing Chelsea. To make a middle part, it's the same thing, just do it right in the middle. I usually line it up with my nose, like right in the middle of my nose and in between my eyebrows, right? And if you have to, just start down here. You don't have to start up here. Start down here and then work your way up, even though there's no hair here. You don't want to go all the way down yet first. Work in small steps. Say if there's a tangle in between, be gentle. Don't be just because you just harming your hair even more, and you don't want to do that. This part is straight, but then when you get to like right here, it kind of like curves. So now you do it again. But now, because you already have this part done, you don't have to start down here. You can start from up here. You do the same thing. Make sure that it's on your scalp too. Like the metal part of the rat tail comb is on your scalp. You don't want to do it like off your scalp because you're not even parting anything really. Jeez. And make sure your shit out the fucking, what the fuck, man? Make sure your shit out the way after, you know when you see people just do this after they part, you know what I mean? They do this a couple of times. Now you're in the middle of your hair, right? And you have to do the back. It's the same thing. Keep following down the line, but you might want to use like a few mirrors. I have a mirror right here, and I have a mirror over here, so I can see the back of my head. What I'm basically doing is looking into this mirror, but I'm looking at my reflection in this mirror, so it's like so I can see the back of my head. Same thing. And now I can move this out the way. Yo, my head is still dirty, bro. I didn't wash this shit good enough, clearly. Now you can just part it out the way. I'm gonna just do this right now so y'all can see that, like, it's pretty straight. Alright, to go sideways, same process, but just you going sideways now. Like I said earlier, you're not gonna get it on your first try most of the time. You're gonna have to go over it a few times. Like I said, you go down, If you have long hair, you're not really gonna see the gray little thing. So just dig your hand under. Make sure, you know, you take your time going through it with your finger so you can split it. And then split it. Right? It's not the straightest. So we're gonna go over it a few times. You see, like right here, it's not that straight. And you go over it again. You have a section, right? But let's say you just want a square, right? You want a square, you don't want it to be this big. You do the same thing. It's the same thing over and over again. But let's say I want a square like right here. You could go down like this, but I'd rather just, you know, go up. And it's the same thing as like the one with the middle part. You go up. You want to make sure it doesn't get into the hair in the back. See how it's like a little hair strand right here? Just pull that out. Follow your finger down it and separate. Now you got a triangle part right here, right? You got one triangle. If you have a taper, it's probably not, you know, a triangle. But now you have a square right here. But let's say you want like a triangle, right? Now this is like the time you want to start like on the top part to make the triangle. You want to start up here and just go down like if it's a triangle. Separate it. And now you have a triangle. To make sure that your parts are super straight, you can put gel. A good thing of gel, I'll like go on it, go like that on one side, go like that on the other, and then part it again to make sure that it's like precisely straight. But now that you know how to part your hair, I'm gonna get into trying to do cornrows for the second time. I'm gonna have pictures of how my cornrows looked the first time, right? I did this like last year. No, not like, I did this like 2 years ago, bro. That took me the entire day to do two cornrows. I don't know. It's just the whole concept of like going backwards like this in my head just doesn't work. Like going like from here down, here down, here down, here down. It's like, yeah, nice, simple. I get it. But going like this, nah. That's just way too complicated. I'm gonna watch a video real quick.
So holding on to that one piece, you're reaching over to grab the opposite side like that.
Okay, I think we got it. I say that now, I just know it's not gonna go well, man. It's 10:30. I'm gonna give myself until 4:30 to finish this. Like the first time I did it, I started at 9 and I finished at 7 p.m. And mind you, I was just doing 2. I've decided to do 4. Usually like people do this on blow dried hair. I'm not. I'm just gonna put water and conditioner. I should go outside like this. Hey, no, I'm gonna part it again to make the 4. I'm gonna start like here and then like go diagonal kinda. These type of hairstyles are the times I wish I kinda had like a full head of hair. The shit would look a lot better like that, but you know what I mean? We just gotta do what we got. It's okay. We'll be fine. Okay, now we have the section, right? We're doing my shit with water. And then this is the leave-in conditioner we're using. Cornrows. I'm already almost out of this. I can't wait till like my hair's naturally just like shrinkage and all, just covering my face. Now to make sure that like my part is nice and straight, that's when I go in with the gel. So not only get it on the top, but also underneath you want to put the gel. Bro, oh my gosh, this is just, memories are just kicking in, bro, of how bad this shit was the first time, dog. I don't like this feeling. This don't feel right at all. All right, let's commit, just commit. Grab here, grab this. There we go. Right. Yo. Nah, I'm doing it wrong. I don't even want to do. I'm about to call someone to do this shit for me, bro. Bro, it hasn't even been like 10 minutes of me trying, and I don't want to do this. All right, I understand this concept, right? Let me just practice this. Yeah. See, that's where I'm fucking up. It's like when these shits are just so freaking long, bro, that I just get confused on like when I grab hair. Yeah. Okay. Oh! So now we go back. Where? Wait, what am I grabbing? Oh, this one. Okay. Oh. Huh. Yo, this shit look ass, but I'm nice now, bro. Ow! Can I split, bro? Split! Thank you. Bro, this looks so bad. Bro, this looks terrible. But I get the concept now, which is crazy. It's so crazy. If you were to ask me to do this like a few months ago, bro, this shit about to die. Hold on. Yo, I'm him, bro. No, I'm not, but like, y'all get what I mean. Like, you can't even tell that it's braided, bro. It just looks like a bunch of mush. Where's the oh, I can see from back here. What am I grabbing? Oh, this one. I'm making progress, though. This shit seems a lot easier than the first time I did it. Oh! This looks ass! This looks terrible! Wait, but it's like, it's kind of tight, though. When I did it before, it was so loose. Like, this part looks great. From here to here, it looks decent. From here down is shit. And then can y'all even see? From here to here is terrible. So we gotta work on it. But I'm gonna quickly change my battery. Alright, let me try this again. Bro, and then with the cut, it's gonna be crazy. I think what I did wrong was when I was picking up hair, I was like, jeez. Yo, this massive ass knot. There we go. Alright. When I was picking up hair, I think I was grabbing too much. I don't know how people be working in these tiny ass sections, bro, but kudos to you, dog. That shit crazy. But just grab out the section that I actually want beforehand and then move. Where's this section? Hold on, where's this section? Where's this one? Where is it? Where are you here? Okay. Ah, okay, that was nice. All right, this looks a lot better than before, but it's still like fucking ugly. If this comes out decent, bro, I'm leaving it. Bro, my left arm is like dead. All right, let me get like a 2-minute break, bro. 2-minute break. Today's video is brought to you by no one. These niggas don't like me. I feel like I'm blackballed, bro. All right, yeah, we'll leave this like this. Oh, wow. I think I can do this one more time, bro, and it'll be good. Like, I'll have it down, bro. Right here is a little frizzy, a little too frizzy right here. But then when you get to like right here, from here down is nice. Right, from, where is it? Like right here, down, nice, decent. But right here is just so frizzy, bro. Now what I'm messing up on is I'm not keeping my hands like close to the root, which is why the front part always be frizzy. That's why it's like my hands are closer to the root toward the back, because I feel like it's a little easier when you go into the back. I'm putting my AirPod just so I can listen to music while doing this, because, you know, I don't want to get demonetized. You know, Lonely just dropped, you know what I mean? I don't want to get demonetized, but I want to listen to Lonely, so. Get off my thumb! Wait, where's the camera? It's decent. It's decent. The hair wearing that I'm black. There's always room for improvement. Don't get me wrong, but this is like a good like 6, maybe 7. Maybe I'm being a little too critical. This is a good 7. I think if I go in with mousse like at the end and just, I should be good. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this one as well. This one, I feel like this is gonna be harder just because it's in the middle. Like this one was closer to the side of my head, so I thought that was like significantly easier. It took me 3 tries. What time is it? I started at 10:30, right? It took me an hour to do this one section. But then again, it took me an hour because I did that shit like 3 times. Bruh, that shit dead, bro. This shit was coming out decent too. Right here, some hair fell out. Oh, a lot of hair fell out. Jeez. I mean, I could try. Nah, we just gonna restart, bro. Oh my. It was looking decent too.
Ow! You did swipe.
We finished, yes sir. The main thing I'm concerned of is like my forehead is just pulled back, bro. I was gonna cut my hair today, but I don't even think I should. So I'm gonna use the mousse to like try to like lay it all down. The thing I don't like about my mousse though, it's like so sticky. I take off the do-rag from when I have the do-rag on and the blow dryer, and my hair is just so sticky. But the back looks nice. I did my shit on the back. This one's probably the best one. This one looks so nice. I did my shit. You feel me? You feel me? I always use this red one for it because it just is. I look like you know what I look like. You know what I look like, bro. We've been done. I finished in 4 hours, which was good. I changed the do-rag obviously because I went out to go get food and I'm not trying to have red on my head. And it was like wet, so I didn't want to have it on still. So, bro, my forehead. Oh, it's waving up again. I'm not getting those waves. Damn, my forehead's huge. Oh, if I didn't have hair, this is what I would look like. Well, my forehead would be lower because yo, that vein is vein, bro. But like normal without the braids, my shit fire. So I hope like my forehead decongests and becomes normal. Cause I was trying to cut my hair. I'm not cutting my hair with this. These are the braids. These are the braids. I think they came out, for my second time ever doing them, they came out pretty good. They definitely came out pretty good. I'm proud of myself, man. Finished in 4 hours too, so next time I do it, I'll definitely make a tutorial now that I know what I'm doing. Probably not this month, maybe next month, because I'm not trying to do this again this month, especially with how my forehead's looking. No, I'm about to put this do-rag back on. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. So Celsius, please. I drink his shit every day, bro. Every day. I stayed up 30 hours yesterday. And you know what kept me in it? Celsius. But y'all don't want to respond to my shit, bro. So it's like, yeah.